ஹாய் கிட்டோஸ், இன்னைக்கு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸோட ஒரு மாரல் ஸ்டோரி பார்க்கலாம். டைட்டில் மினி த மங்கி லேர்ன் டு லிசன். ஸ்டோரி கேட்கலாமா?
Good morning, respected ma'am and friends. Today I tell you one good moral story. The title Minnie the monkey learn to listen. The story is teachers learn to listen. Elders keep us safe and happy. Once upon a time, in a bright green forest, there lived a naughty little monkey named Minnie. Minnie liked to jump, to run, swinging on the branches. But Minnie had one big problem. She never listened. On Sunday morning, Minnie's mommy told Minnie, don't go near big mango tree. The branches is slippery. You may fall down. Minnie giggled. Mama, I'm strong monkey. I can jump anywhere. She never listened, running slams on the mango tree. Seriously, trunk. Minnie said, Mama, I told you, hi, brave. Suddenly sounded crack, crack, crack. The branch is broken. Minnie slipped and fall down and softly push. Anna scared and upset. But scared and upset. Minnie's mother rushed and tightly hold. Minnie's mother had my child. Minnie looked down and softly pushed. Mama, I'm sorry. I'll listen to you. I won't disobey again. Her mother smiled, kissed her head. From the day, Minnie is safe and happy. From the day, always listen carefully. So friends, just like Minnie, listen to elders, different parents. Moral, listening to elders, smart and successful. Thank you for listening.
இந்த மேங்கோ ட்ரீயோட கிராஃப்ட் சேனல்ல இருக்கு, செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மோர் ஸ்டோரிஸ் அண்ட் கிராஃப்ட்.